Today, I'll show you how to unarchive in Basecamp. If you've ever archived a project or a to-do list in Basecamp and then realized you need to access it again, this guide is perfect for you. Archiving is a handy feature for keeping your workspace organized, but sometimes you need to bring things back into your active workflow. So, let's dive into the steps on how to unarchive in Basecamp. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to basecamp.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your Basecamp dashboard. This is where you can see all your current projects and tasks at a glance. Next, you'll need to select the project that contains the archive to-do list you want to unarchive. Browse through your list of projects or use the search function to find it easily. Once you've located the project, click on it to open its main page. This will bring up all the details related to that specific project, including messages, schedules, and to-dos. Now, within the project page, locate the to-dos section. This is where all the task lists associated with your project are organized. Click on the to-dos tab to proceed. You'll see a list of your active to-dos that are currently being worked on or are pending completion. To find the archive to-dos, look for the three dots icon, often referred to as the More Options menu. It's usually located on the top right corner of the to-dos section. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with additional options. In that drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled See Archive To-Dos. Click on this option to access the archive. This will bring up a list of all the to-do lists that you've previously archived. It's like a vault where you've stored all the completed or paused tasks that you might want to revisit at some point. Once you're in the archive to-dos, browse through the list and select the specific to-do item or list that you'd like to unarchive. Simply click on it to open up its details. This will allow you to review the tasks and any associated notes or comments that were part of the original list. At the top of the page, you'll see an option to unarchive. Click this button, and just like that, your to-do list will be moved back to the active section, ready for you to work on again. It's a simple yet effective way to manage your tasks and ensure that nothing is permanently lost in the shuffle. And that's it, you've successfully unarchived a to-do list in Basecamp. Remember, archiving and unarchiving are powerful features that can help keep your projects tidy and manageable, so don't hesitate to use them whenever needed. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily keep your workflow efficient and organized. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful guides, and feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. Happy project managing in Basecamp!